This is a Sterling and Gold Label 4-box break. We need to give away the Yankees to someone in it. We'll spin this list of teams 5 times. Team at the top after 5 will get the Yankees as well as their own team. Good evening, Christos. 5th and final time. The Reds. Christos will be having a little look at the AFL breaks going up tomorrow. Who has the Reds? Stephen Ranger. Space Ranger. Yankees. Alex, if you cared, you wouldn't forget. So just think about that. Let's just get it all out. Have a little baby pizza. I could really go some homemade pizzas. Thank you, Panacasio. Magda, that's very nice of you giving away that gold gaunt to Blake, who is sick at home. Chorizo paella. I had paella in Barcelona. It was one of the best things I've ever had, ever. That was just a story for me to tell you I've been to Barcelona, but that's actually a true story. I forget what the town's called, but did the Tomato Fest in Spain. Has anyone else done that? Is it still going? La Tomatina. I forget what it's called. Skittle, you'll be on tomorrow, so I'm not telling you happy birthday now. We'll see you tomorrow. Same time. Baño. Uno? Baño? It kind of feels like the type of event that would be cancelled now. Also did the running with the Bulls. Would not recommend. Okay, goodbye, sign. We didn't need you anyway. Okay. How's Blake's recovery going? Owen, he's in the chat. Blonathan Ragda, please let Owen know how your recovery is going. He's dropped in to say hello. Kyle Lewis, T Mac C2, Lindor, Votto, Seeger. Recovery good, except for this, and this. Kershaw Black C1. Luis Robert C1 Red. We don't see a lot of the reds. Please change your name. Stanton and Puckett. Ortiz, Henderson, Posey, Machado, Otani, El Matador. We went to bullfighting as well. That was more intense than I was thinking it would be. Varsho, C1 Black, Lindor, Harper. Acuna Jr., Chipper Jones, Yu Darvish, Ricky Henderson, Ian Henderson. I wrote a diary. We were overseas for 8 months. I wrote in my diary every single day. And it's still at my parents' place. I should get it one day. I'll read you some passages when I wrote in there that I hated my girlfriend sitting next to her on a plane. And then the next day, how I was back in again. C2 Purple, Cole. Dear Diary. Can't talk about it. End entry. C1 Black, Aaron Judge. Trey Turner, Nola. A blue C2 Freeman. Or Freeman, for short. Gallo, Robert, Ishiro. Dale, check your PMS. Oh, my God. This better be worth it because I'm stopping the break, so I assume it's an emergency. What is that, Magda? What is wrong with you? Don't answer that. It was rhetorical. Is that a... Is that a gold? That is a gold. That is a 1 of 1. Andrew Vaughn, a rookie for the White Sox. 1 of 1. Is Andrew Vaughn... See, I'd prefer that to be the 1 of 1. I don't know. But that is a 1 of 1. Third overall pick. Don't know. Andy Vaughn. Strange. Ramirez. Mercedes. Yes, we need to get a big... We had a Mount Castle to 75. That's been our best framed auto so far since getting the product. Class 3 black of Rizzo. Correa. Bellinger. Bregman. Black C1 Jeter. Black C2 Vlad Jr. Griffey. Jazz Chisholm. Do you like jazz? I did go to Greece, Magda, and a little kid tried to steal... well, he did steal. It was like a little... Not like a little bum bag, but a little over-the-shoulder type thing. Keep the passport and money and all that stuff in there safe. I wrote about it in my diary. Vlad Jr., Bobby Dalbec, some little kid. So the parent came over to the table and distracted us. First day there. And the little kid snuck around the back, took it. But the police were watching him and they got him straight away. Mountcastle rookie, Chris Bryant. It's that C again. A jersey one. Johnny Bench, old school. 21 to 25. That's a cool card. It's for that team again, the Reds. Who's got them this time? Because this time they're winning. Reds. Steven Ranger. Oh, you picked up the Yankees. That's right. Nice hit, Ranger. Johnny Bench. Johnny be good. And the second medal boy. Blake or Peter, you dogs. Alvarez. Oh, get this one off the back. It's a Tyler Stevenson rookie. Ryan Jeffers. Twins. No, I don't know about Ryan Jeffers. I know Johnny Bench, good. Ryan Jeffers, unknown. Alright, 2 boxes of Sterling to finish the night. Unless something big has happened in the Spectra breaks that I'm unaware of just yet. Dylan Carlson. Angel Martinez. That's a cool auto. Do that 5,000 times for Panini. I don't think you could. Jeepers. Rodriguez and Perez. Hassel Mountcastle rookie. Waters. Tyler Soderstrom. Evan White. Acosta. I'll buy you bench warmer slabs, Magda. Some of them are worth a lot of money. Bench warmers is coming out again, actually. I think it's this month. Mauricio. Jazz Chisholm. Do you like Chisholm? Bobby Miller for the Dodgers. Redemption. Prospect auto. I'm not sure if the Magda in the chat is actually Magda. No, I won't get any, Rob. It's very expensive. It costs way more than it should. I think the big thing this year is earring cards, which is 99 of 99. Jose Tenna. Langoliers. What? Jason. Sanchez. Dalbeck. Howard. To 150, it's Cade Cavalli. Cruz. I'm going to show you the picture that Magda sent me after this break. It's strange. Tyler Stevenson. He felt the need to interrupt the break to show me that. Bryce Jarvis. Gore. Bishop. We need to get a big one here. Mauricio Chisholm. Jared Schuster. Braves. Rodriguez. Perez. Apostle. Mize. Ian Anderson, 70 of 199. Yolbert Sanchez. Cruz and Singer. 2 packs left here. Okay, we're going this way. Cabrian Hayes. Dunning. Kirk. Alcantara. Yeah, they do, Alex. Tajeda. It's a very popular set overseas. It's been around forever. And last pack, probably for the night, is Kirk, Badu, Hassel, Gabriel Arias, old Shea again, and Jason again. And that is it for 5013.